Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply untag yourself and remove Instagram tags from any post on Instagram. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Instagram account. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Instagram. The next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon from the bottom side right here. Then click on this three slider right here. Then click on your activity. Then click on tags. These are the set of people that tag you. Everything is going to be found right here. Then click on the post. The next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on tag options. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on remove me from post. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply untag yourself from a post on Instagram. By the time you go back and you refresh your tag section and you go back to tag, and it's no longer be here. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.